Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are checking out the ChooChoo black end table here. All right, as we can see, it's pretty handy. The cord on the back is pretty long. I think it's about 6 feet. So if you are further from an outlet, you can plug it in. Got my phone charging here. Got a lamp going, works nicely. Shelves down there for extra storage. And then we have our little drawer right here. Put remotes or cup holders, things like that in there. Toasters, and it looks pretty decent there right next to your couch or wherever you want to put it. So thanks for watching this unboxing videos, my friends. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next time.